Welcome to today's video. Don't know what that was, but today I have my Young Living Essential Rewards unboxing. Oh my gosh, it was such a headache to try to get this because I've had an issue the past 3 packages, I would say, with not getting my package sent to my house because of insufficient address when I put the right address in and it just doesn't deliver for some reason, and then it gets returned back to Young Living. So that's been a whole headache. Never had that issue when I lived with my parents, so I don't know what it is about our apartment, but they just don't like it apparently. So I finally have my Essential Rewards package. I'm so excited to share this with y'all. I did not open it yet because this is a true unboxing. I did cut it open just so I would go ahead and have that. But if you don't know what Essential Rewards is, it is the Young Living monthly wellness box that's completely customizable, and you get a shipment every single month of whatever products you want. I literally change it out all the time. Like I rarely get the same products. There's a couple of things that I typically put in my box, but you can completely customize it. If you have any questions about Young Living or Essential Rewards or essential oils, please feel free to message me, preferably on my Instagram, but you can message me on here. I'll respond as well. But my Instagram will be below. It is actually I kind of rebranded my Instagram to be more oil-based. So it is now tansyandroseessentials. So I'll make sure to leave the name of that below if you want to check that out. I've got tons of information on there about oils if you're curious. And yeah, tangent, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got in this month's box. I didn't get a ton in this month's order because I went really crazy this month, being April. So this is my March order. So I just got it pretty late. I just got it kind of late, so I normally I'm going to try to switch up my shipment like when I get them, because if I get them towards the end of the month, it doesn't give you guys a chance to get the promos if you want to. I didn't get any promos this month because I didn't get very much, so you have to hit a certain amount to get the promos and stuff. But you still get your points back. So I didn't really explain what the rewards aspect of it is. So depending on how much you spend, there's different tiers of what they call promos, which are free products along with your products that you're already buying, and you get points back to use on the website like cash. So I don't even know, I have quite a few points that I need to spend, but you basically use that to get more free products. So it's a whole bunch of free stuff, and it's great, especially if you want to switch out your household products. Like Young Living does have a super wide variety of essential oils, but they also have household products and bath products, body products, hair products, makeup. Like they have pretty much everything you need except for like food, which they still have some food products. So if you want to switch out things, it makes it a really good deal to go the Essential Rewards route. That way you're getting your points back and you're getting promos for free products and stuff. So if you're really looking into overhauling all of your routine, going completely into the natural world, all the essential oils, I feel like Essential Rewards is the best way to go because you're getting a whole lot more back rather than just making purchases. You know what I mean? So I'm going to start off with the first thing that wasn't in my Essential Rewards order, because this was not available for Essential Rewards because it just came back in stock, which is ylang ylang oil. So this was out of stock for almost a year, and they just brought it back, and I wanted to try it. So it is a floral oil, and it is so floral. Oh my gosh. It smells so good though. It's funny because I didn't think that I liked ylang ylang, and I just got it to use like on my skin, but I actually really like it. And it's really funny because you can just tell like the difference between like quality essential oils versus like the grocery store oils, because I would smell ylang ylang and I didn't like it. And it's so funny because I actually didn't like this. I didn't think that I liked the smell of lavender. And it was just gross to me and it was too strong. And then I smelled the Young Living lavender and I was like, oh my gosh, this is actually what lavender smells like. It's crazy. So it's crazy like what a huge difference it can make when you have like the pure oil versus a whole bunch of fillers and stuff. So I got ylang ylang, and little tangent about quality again. It was so funny because I've been making stuff around the house to use in place of going to like the store. I've been trying to make more stuff at home. And so I made some dish soap and I put a couple drops of tea tree oil in it. Tea tree oil. Because it was an oil that I had gotten from Target that I was just trying to use up because I'm trying to just, you know, it's not actual quality essential oil, because this will attest to that. So I put a few drops in there, and then my husband texted me and was like, hey, did you put oil in the dish soap? Because it's like greasy and it's leaving everything greasy. And I was like, no, that's so weird. I just put a couple drops of essential oil, but that doesn't make it oily because real essential oil doesn't have a greasy texture. But it's not supposed to be an oily consistency. It's not going to be like olive oil or something like that. That's why you can have a dropper and like drop it, because it's so thin. So it shouldn't be an oily consistency at all. So I realized that it was the tea tree essential oil that I used. So it has an oily texture because it's not real essential oil, and they use fillers and they fill it with whatever else they want. Obviously other oils, because it's not pure essential oil. So that just goes to show the difference, because when I put Young Living essential oils in there, it doesn't have an oily texture. It just makes it smell nice and it cleans well. It doesn't have an oily texture to it. So it just goes to show what you're buying from the grocery store is probably very little actual essential oil. So that's a little scary, because who knows what is actually in it, because they don't have to put it on the label. Side tangent, just wanted to share that story with you guys. Moving on to my order. So first thing, I am so excited about this. This is the Lavender Mint shampoo. So like I said, I'm trying to switch all of my stuff over to Young Living products or making stuff myself, but I'm so excited to try this. I've heard Nikki on her channel, Nikki Philippi, talk about it. She's actually my Young Living enroller, her and her sister Shayna. So I've heard her talk about it, so I'm so excited to try this. It has rosemary in it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. That smells so good, y'all. Oh wow, it actually has a natural like color to it. I don't know why I'm surprised. That's so cool. This smells so good. Straight up lavender mint, rosemary in there. It smells so good though. So dreamy. I'm really excited to use this. Next thing, I got some more toothpaste. I love this toothpaste. This is the Thieves toothpaste Aroma Bright. Ooh, what's that? So they have two different kinds of toothpaste. They have this one and the Dentarome. I'm not a huge fan of that one because it has more like baking soda in it, so it kind of not burns, but it's just very strong to me. This one's a little bit more sweet. This one's a little bit more sweet, so I prefer the taste of this. So that's my toothpaste. Next thing, so happy to have more of these. I got more baby wipes. These are just the Seedlings baby wipes, and they have a whole like baby line, but I just replaced our bathroom wipes with the Young Living wipes, and they smell really yummy. They have lavender and all that good stuff, so got some more of that. And then I only got one tube of oils. Like I said, this was a very small order for me. So I only got one essential oil in this, but just gear up because next month's or this month is going to be crazy. So yay. So in here is 2 bottles of orange oil. One is actually for a friend that they got from me. So that is theirs. And then, yep. Got some orange oil. I'm so excited to have this back because I ran out of mine a long time ago. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of citrus oils. I know, I feel like everyone loves the smell of citrus oils because they're delicious and refreshing. They're so nice to diffuse. Oh, it just smells so good. And orange oil is actually really good for whitening your teeth, so you can actually put a drop on your toothpaste and use that to help whiten your teeth. So I'm really excited to have this back, and yeah, that's all that I got for this month's order. So like I said, just got the 2 oils. One was the ylang ylang that I had to do in a separate order, and then just a couple of necessities. But yeah, gear up because the next one's going to be huge. And it's got some good promos this month, so I wanted to try to hit all of those. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye!